Today, in this video session, we are going to deal with the topic types of diseases. Human diseases are classified into acute and chronic diseases and congenital and acquired diseases. We have already studied about acute and chronic diseases in last video sessions. Now coming to congenital and acquired diseases. There are certain diseases which are present right from the birth of a person. There some physiological abnormalities, birth defects. They are caused by gene or chromosomal mutations and the environmental factors, like diseases which are caused due to genetic defects or gene or chromosomal mutations like hemophilia, color blindness, sickle cell anemia, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome. And there are many diseases which are caused due to environmental factors also. So these all diseases which are present right from the birth of a child are called as the congenital diseases. Acquired diseases are those diseases which are developed in an individual after the birth. The acquired diseases are classified into infectious and non-infectious diseases. The infectious diseases, they spread from an infected person to a healthy person. Non-infectious diseases are non-communicable diseases. They do not spread from an infected person to a healthy person. Infectious diseases, now we have the difference between the infectious and the non-infectious diseases. Infectious diseases due to external or intrinsic factors. Non-infectious diseases occur due to internal or intrinsic factor. Now, infectious diseases are caused by pathogens such as virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoans, worms. And non-infectious diseases are caused by factors other than than pathogens. And the infectious diseases spread from an infected person to a healthy person. Non-infectious diseases do not spread from an infected person to a healthy person. Infection is transmitted through direct contact, like physical contact, sexual contact, or it is transmitted through mediums such as air, water, food, insects, etc. Infectious diseases, in non-infectious diseases, the infection is not transmitted through direct or indirect contact. It occurs due to hereditary reasons. That means it may be transmitted from parents to offsprings, or it may include the deficiency diseases also. Now, coming to the infectious diseases, as we know, the infectious diseases is spread through air, water, food, physical contact, sexual contact, and insects. The causative agent of these diseases, the infectious diseases, they are called as the pathogens or the infectious agents. They may be virus, bacteria, fungi, and different kind of worms. So here we have the list of infectious diseases which are caused by virus: common cold, influenza, dengue, poliomyelitis, hepatitis B, AIDS, chickenpox, measles, mumps, SARS, swine flu. And the infectious diseases which are caused by bacteria: typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis, anthrax, tetanus. Diseases caused by fungi, common skin infections like ringworm and athlete foot. Diseases which are caused by protozoans: malaria, kala azar, amoebic dysentery, sleeping sickness. Infectious diseases caused by worms: teniasis by tapeworm and ascariasis by roundworm. Elephantiasis is caused by filarial worm or Vaucaria bancrofti. Now, coming to the infectious diseases, they are confined to a person. They do not spread. They are non-infectious. They do not spread from an infected person to a healthy person. The different type of non-infectious diseases are caused due to malfunctioning of some important organs, like heart disease and deficiency of nutrients, mineral and nutrients, kwashiorkor, marasmus, scurvy, beriberi, night blindness. And then due to deficiency of some hormones like diabetes, iron deficiency, malfunctioning of immune system, and cancer. So these are the different type of diseases which come under the category of the non-infectious diseases. Now coming to peptic ulcer. Peptic ulcer cause acidity related pain and bleeding in the stomach and duodenum of infected persons. For years it was thought that the what is actually a peptic ulcer, children? It is a ulcer in the inner lining of the stomach which causes acidity related pain and bleeding in the stomach and duodenum. For many years, it was thought that the peptic ulcer in patients is caused due to lifestyle reasons, due to the food habits. Stress in life leads to secretion of lot of acid in the stomach, which leads to ulceration in the inner wall of the stomach and the duodenum. It was Berry, Marshall, and Robin Warren recently proved that a bacterium called Helicobacter pylori was responsible for the peptic ulcer. According to these two scientists, Berry Marshall and Robin Warren, patients could be cured of peptic ulcer only when these bacteria are killed in the stomach by using appropriate antibiotics. And for this achievement, Marshall and Warren were awarded with Nobel Prize for physiology and medicine in 2005. So children, it is the Helicobacter pylori bacteria which is responsible for peptic ulcer. And